Join us on our adventure as my friends and I hike deep into the dense jungles of Andhra Pradesh. We visit 6 different waterfalls, get stuck in thorns, and end up rock climbing as well. Wild men at their prime. Look at that. Such beautiful mountains. Gorgeous view. பையா எப்படி ஸ்ட்ரெயிட்டாக போகலான்டா இப்படி இல்லையா வழி ஜம்ப் பண்ண முடியாதா இட் சீம்ஸ் லைக் அ ஜம்பபிள் டிஸ்டன்ஸ் Oh God. Oh, chance illa bro. Chance illa. There's no way we are doing that. Come on. Impossible. Go for it, boys. Show us your athleticism. Passion. Oh my God. Shits. There's a rule not to let Bonish lead because he keeps forgetting the route. He just keeps going forward, and yeah, he is best in the middle or at the back. So when you have a friend who has no sense of direction, take good care of them. And now look at the view. Look at those pretty mountains. Wow. And the best part over here is, let me show you what's down there. Look at that. It's a beautiful lake, fresh water with beautiful fish. Basically November season, like this is the end of November, and logically there has to be a lot of water. Like last year in November there was so much water over here, but for some reason now, even though we are receiving heavy rainfall, I don't see the water level rising over here. I actually don't know why, but when there's a lot of stagnant water over here and the water level doesn't rise and flow away, the water gets a little bit of algae in it, and usually it's purely like just crystal clear transparent water, but today it seems like there's a bit of algae, and it's not really pleasant when you're walking in the water and your legs feel all slimy. Still, man, it's much better than sitting at home and, I don't know, whiling your time away randomly watching some Netflix movies or some shit. You're better off hiking, enjoying this view. Oh my God, look at this view. Ah. Look at that. Wow. This is fantastic. All of you guys should go hiking, guys. Like every weekend, sit on your bike, scooter, a cycle, whatever you have, a bus, and just hike. Just go out there, explore. Go out there, explore. I mean, just see how beautiful this world is and how small you are. Like every time I come to nature, you realize that it's a tiny, tiny little organism in this huge, beautiful world, and yeah, your appreciation towards life increases. Who does this shit? Like a whole bag da. அதாரு தண்ணியில் போடுறாங்க. I don't understand. Why do they bring a luggage this far? Body எடுத்தாங்களா? Maybe they tried to hide a body. Full chicken crossing this beautiful river. Yes. Try not to get our shoes wet. These are like those skipping stones in Takashi's castle, lah? Yes. So I jump, hop, hop. It's getting a little hot and sweaty over here, but soon we'll be, I mean, we're quite inside the jungle right now, but we're going to be in the deeper place of the jungle where hardly any sunlight comes in. So yeah, over there it's going to be a little cold, but the trekking over there is going to be much more difficult. So this is what happens when you let your friend who has no navigation to lead the way while you're busy filming. I've been in this treks so many times, but God knows where this took us. And now I'm stuck in these thorny ass plants. So basically what happened is we let Boy Bhaiya take the lead, and as usual, this is where the road splits into one left and one right. I was focusing on vlogging myself, and as usual, Boy Bhaiya is the most optimistic, high achiever, overachiever in our group. So he takes the most difficult route, and finally we get lost. I also tripped for a bit. I've come here like 100 times, and I was tripping for a second, like, bro, where the fuck am I? I got stuck in thorns, somehow made out alive, and yeah, lost a water bottle in that process. So Boy Bhaiya has gone to collect my water bottle. Man, that's so close. Oh yeah, look at that. In this gorgeous. So now we have entered into the calm, cool jungle. This is the denser forest. So we have completed almost 85% of our trek. This is the pre-final waterfall that you can see behind me. Gorgeous. You're supposed to filter and drink the water, but we're wild men, so we just directly drink the water, and it's amazing. Like the tastiest water and most like pure water you can ever taste. That's what it is. So, yeah. We'll go grab some. Let's try not to get our camera wet. Yeah. Fantastic. So 15 more minutes and we'll be at the topmost waterfall. From there it's gonna be a little bit of rock climbing, and yeah, we'll reach our destination. And we made it. Oh wow, guys, look at this. Now the goal is to climb all of this up there, go over this waterfall and camp over there. Guys, we made it to the top, and the view. Look at that waterfall, man. So worth it, so worth it. We got cup noodles, boiled eggs. The sun. Treat na sabdo. Let's let the noodles do its magic. So we are almost at the end of the trek. We're going to reach the car. I'm sorry I couldn't show you guys the way back because my SD card got full and I couldn't use the camera anymore because we didn't have any more storage. So gotta come prepared better next time and show the whole journey. But overall, it was an amazing trek. Quite challenging, quite exciting, and we had loads of fun. So this is my first time vlogging, and I hope it's not the last. So stay tuned for more vlogs. Like, share, comment, support our channel, and enjoy the view for one last time.